legend has it, they were eaten by a vampire. And this vampire is protected by a stone gargoyle. He's not gonna like you. Come on. I'm warning you. The last people to enter these gates either turned back or were never seen again. You're next. Good luck!
Thanks. Okay, here we go. We got this, alright? There's not going to be anyone here. There's probably going to be someone behind here. No? There's probably going to be... someone's going to pop out there. That's okay. Oh, hello.
We can go.
Someone in there. There's someone there. Okay, we are running. You're still following us. Okay.
Bye! Bye!
Oh, hello. Hello. We can go in here. Okay. Hello? Anyone here?
There's someone there.
Is he following us? Oh my bloody hell! There's someone there, I didn't even see him! Oh my god! That's okay, you did well. Good job. Good job. Well done.